Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be installing this AVS Hood Protection Bug Deflector 2 on my new 2024 Honda Ridgeline. This will apply to all of the second generation Honda Ridgelines and I believe Pilot and Passport. So let's open up the box first. Looks like it's pretty well packaged in plastic here. Looks like the hardware is inside here. Take the plastic off. Here's the mounting screws. And here it is. Looks like it's mounted with screws, which is nice. So I had installed one of these before on our 2018 Honda Pilot, so I think it should be very similar. It says here to scan this code for instructions on how to install it. So let's just scan this. Takes to the real truck. Oh, now they want you to do the part number. So the number on the box is 25516, and that brings you to real truck AVS Bugflector II Bug Shield, AVS-25516. Okay. There's a video, installation, and a PDF file. So here it is. So open hood, carefully separate the hood seal gaskets from the area on the hood. Place it between the hood and the rubber seals, align with holes. There will be 6 holes altogether. And then insert 6 screws and washers through the rubber gasket and hood into the hood. And then there's little bumpers you can put on, and then close hood. And at the end there's little round bump hoods to put in, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just open the hood and get started. Next step is to place the bug shield onto it, the hood, and place under the gasket, lining some holes. So here's one hole here. Looks like they're going to use holes where there are rivets already, so I guess those have to be removed once you know which ones. I'm just going to get a little white pencil to mark it. So it's lined up, and I'll mark the ones. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. One here, and one here. So let me just remove those. This is something that's not in the instructions, so it doesn't matter if they get damaged, as they're not going to be reused. Could use a screwdriver, or I'll try this tool I've had from before. And like I said, it's not going to matter if they break, which they do. It's one. Two. Three. More here. And one more over here. Okay, so those are all the ones that needs to be removed. Now I'll put the bug shield back on under the gasket. Aligning the holes. Go here. Okay. Now somehow, guess I gotta put the screw through the rubber gasket. The supplied screws allow you to use 3 different screwdrivers: flathead, Phillips, or Robertson. I have the Robertson, which I like the best, so that's what I'll be using, but you could use either of the 3 I just mentioned. So with the screw, put in the supplied washer, and then we'll install the screws. Because we took those pins out, we could use the same hole in the rubber gasket. Do that first. Then through the bug deflector, and then into the hole of the hood. Just won't tighten up all just yet. Do the next one. Through the rubber. Put a bug deflector. Into the hood, just loose for now. Again, rubber first, and the hood protector. Into the hood. So far. A little bit harder to align, but not bad still. That way, tighten. Now the last one. Now we can just tighten them all. Finish tightening them all. And that completes the installation while the hood is up. So the instructions here says turn the hood bumpers counterclockwise 1.5 turns. I guess you want it to be raised a little bit. So I'll do that. There's 1.5. Do the same thing on the other side. 1.5. So now we can close the hood. Note if you're doing this on an older one, you might want to wash the hood first. Mine was very clean to start with, so I didn't do it. But now I think I'll just get some alcohol wipes just to wipe the hood where I'm going to put the little bumpers. Now I'll do the final step to put the little rubber bumpers. So 2 at the very end and 2 in the middle. Looking at it, I don't think the middle ones will ever touch, but I guess something really bangs against it. It might. So I'll do that now. Like I said, I'll do some rubbing, some clear wipes before, and then stick them on. Put one on the end. It goes on to the actual hood protector. So let's wipe that. That would make more sense. Actually, they do say surface of the hood. Huh. I think I'd rather put it on the hood protector. Then, rough idea, center, put it around here. Here's the deflector fully installed. I think it looks pretty nice. Like I said before, I bought it mostly to protect the hood from rock chips and stuff like that, but I think overall it looks pretty good. Their emblem is right here. It hardly shows, which I like too. There's a further view. So I think I'm going to like it. As I said before, I did have one on my previous vehicle, 2018 Honda Pilot, so that lasted the whole time we've had it, 7 years. This now concludes this video of the installation of the AVS Hood Protector Bugflector 2. I think I really like it. As I mentioned, I had one before. So hopefully this was useful to some of you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so before. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon. Bye.